أحب الصالحين ولست منهم لعلي أن أنال بهم شفاعة.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello every person there. Welcome back to Sharing Islam Education Center. With me, Hafiz Ruhaimi or Mr. Turkaming from British English. And now I'm leaving to study at Islamic boarding school, Ummul Ayman Samalanga. And in this lovely night, whereby because Allah gave us blessing and mercy, I'd like to have a talk about what's that Tawheed science, what's that Tawheed science is. Alright, the common answer Tawheed science is one of how to disturb minds, religion and faith by using argumentations. It can't be confined of our belief. And I like to have a think about the attributes of Allah. Are there 20? So I'm coming to talk about first obligations, attribute of Allah. We'll start. It's WUJUD. Okay, every person there. As you know, every person there, Allah is mawjud, Allah is wujud, impossible is not. And if some people, if any person asks, so Allah is mawjud, Allah is wujud, where is the argumentation Allah is mawjud? We can answer the argumentation is Allahu allazi khalaqa as-samawati wal arda wa ma baynahuma. What's that mean? It means Allah is the creator. It means Allah is mawjud. 7 layers the creator, 7 layers of the earth, and 7 layers of the sky. Remember, because of that, Allah is mawjud. And as you probably heard, I like to have a talk. I like to say the quotes was from one of Islamic scholar from Aceh. Who is he? He is Al-Mukarram al-Sheikh Haji Muzahri Yahya. What he said? Allah is mawjud, Allah is mawjud, is not with a flesh, is not with a flesh, is not with period, is not with period, is not in the sky, is not in the sky, is not in the world, is not in the world, is not in the right side, is not in the right side, is not in the left side. Subhanallah ta'ala. And this is really important thing for us. Because why? Because if we want to create you perfect, if we want you create is perfect, you should learn how to get Tawheed science. Okay? That's all I can tell you today, and I hope you can understand for this lesson is Tawheed. I ended by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.